Greetings my fellow LEGO fans, welcome back to my channel. In the world of bricks there's a lot of variety. You have tiny bricks, you have small bricks, you have big bricks, you have huge bricks, you have bricks made up of other bricks. Ain't that strange? Yeah, and the example for the last type of bricks I told you, the bricks made of bricks is right here. The big GWP brick in the nice color of teal. Yeah, I didn't get the red one when they had it out, I think, not last year, 2019 in fact. There was nothing I was getting, and just for a brick build brick, awesome, I wasn't willing to spend full price for sets I can get everywhere else at a way better price. But this time there was time for shopping, and so I spent enough and also got the teal brick. Yeah, it's made up of 110 pieces, including the socket, I would say, and yeah, a nice gift with purchase. Looks really nice. I don't think it's something very special, just for the love of bricks. So yeah, without any more stupid joking and useless babbling, I'll say, let's simply open the box and have a look inside. I think that's a way better idea than keep on talking. Yeah, I'm doing it too much, I know. So, let's have a look inside. So, yeah, and here's already what's inside the box. As always, a manual, a bag of pieces, one single bag, and funny thing is, the instructions are the cover of the box. That's a rather smart move. It's just slide it in here, and voila, you have the cover. Then you take it out, and you have the instructions. So, of course, the really nice printed gift with purchase boxes are way more appealing, but I think that's a pretty smart move. Just genius. And well, that's not the gift with purchase, so yeah, why not use such a simple system? Amazing, great, well done. You just have one box with no special printing on it, and everything else is on the manual. Fantastic. So yeah, let's put the box aside. And now I think, as far as I can tell, some standard bricks, lots of rather standard plates, some slopes, round plates, and some of those quarter tiles. Yeah, so I think I'll get the pieces out and start building right away without talking about pieces. The video will be long enough with my talking I do all the time, so cut it. Let's start building. So yeah, and here's the finished brick made of bricks. Yeah, now that it's built, I really like the look. I think in reality it looks better than on the pictures. a bit less sterile, and yeah, really cool. A few extra pieces. There would also be a 1x1 tile, but it went under the table, so I'll have to get that someday. So the instructions I've already shown you, and now for the brick. The stand, simple but really nice, and this little step in the slopes, everything holds in place and sits really fine in there. The brick itself, in every direction, 3 times the size of the original brick, so it's 12 long, 6 wide, and well, 3 bricks and 1 plate in height. What's really cool, the brick is hollow on the inside, so if you mount a hinge somewhere and make here a line of tiles, you could make it a nice little box. Maybe I'll try that. Yeah, the bottom is not like the brick, it's just rather flat, but you won't see it on the stand. Yeah, it's a really nice decoration for every Lego or even brick fan, as there's no Lego on it. Could be any brick. Haha, gotcha Lego. Yeah, and for example, city builders could make a monument for their main square, for example, like, who has it? I think Bricks Go Wild have the red one on their main square. Looks really cool there. Do they have it? Yeah, I think Bricks Go Wild. Go check them out. Cool couple, awesome videos, fantastic city. Yeah, so that's it for this cute little set. No, that's a brick. Yeah, and that's it for this video. If you like my videos, you know what you can do, may do, should do. Right? Subscribe to my channel. Really easy and wouldn't cost you a thing as far as I know. And yeah, anything else? Yeah, if you subscribe, maybe you'd also like to be informed when a new video comes up, don't you? Yeah, right. And all you gotta do is hit the bell button, ding ding, and what will happen? Right, YouTube will let you know when a new video is up. Awesome! The marvels of technology. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm fun as always, so see you in the next one. Bye bye.